Hi. So I have been debating on how to do a channel opener. And I've been writing a nice script and different ways to introduce the channel. But I'm thinking that that's going to set up some unrealistic expectations. Um, I am a home cook with moderate to mediocre skill, and I'm looking to expand my knowledge. I'm going to do that by finally cooking through my expanding cookbook collection. Right now it is under 100 books, but not by much, and continuing to grow as I find cookbooks of interest to me out in the wild. So I'm hoping you'll join me as I expand my culinary prowess by working my way through some of the recipes. My goal is 50% per book, but we'll see how that goes as I become the okay cook I've always wanted to be. I hope you'll join me.